If your Magic Keyboard doesn't want to connect, here's what you can do. First, if your keyboard has a cable port, connect it via cable. But if your keyboard doesn't have a cable port, then get yourself a wired keyboard or a wireless keyboard with a dongle and put it into the USB port of the Mac. This way you can enter the password to log in. Now go to the Apple logo, System Settings, Bluetooth, and press the power button on the side of the keyboard. A green light should start flickering. Look into the menu and see if you can connect, if it appears. If it does, click on Connect. If it doesn't work, right-click and press Forget. Now press the power button again and see if it appears under Nearby Devices. If it doesn't, then grab a coin and open the battery compartment of your keyboard. If you have an edition with AA batteries, take them out and put them back in. Press the power button and see if it works. If not, replace the batteries with new ones. This was actually the solution in my case. I had to change batteries. After putting in new batteries and pressing the power button, the keyboard appeared under Nearby Devices. Now just click to connect, enter the pairing code, and don't forget to press enter after you type in the code. And voila, it is connected. I hope this video helped.